Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make really awesome blue cheese roasted potatoes. It takes your traditional roasted potatoes recipe, kicks it up a notch, and adds some really fun flavors. So I'm going to confess we had a filming problem, and unfortunately we missed some of the content here. So I'm going to walk you through really quickly what I did. I wanted to share this recipe anyway because it's just so good, so I hope you don't mind. We diced up our potatoes, and then we covered them in some olive oil, unmixed it well. After that, we added in some spices. We added in garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, and paprika. Then we just did a few other ingredients. We diced up 2 shallots, which you can also substitute for an onion, and put that in, and then 1 package of a pancetta. If you don't have pancetta, feel free to use a bacon, but I actually really love pancetta in this recipe, so go ahead and look for it in your store. After that, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and dump your potatoes into a Pyrex. You can also do them on a baking sheet. Either one works. The only thing is that you want it to be even, so just kind of spread it out so that it's like that. We're then going to roast these bad boys up in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. Now, potatoes can vary. Anybody who cooks potatoes often knows that sometimes they're really stubborn. So they're definitely done when they're soft, and you can stick a fork into it easily. But 400 for 30 minutes should do the trick. When your potatoes are done, you're going to take out some crumbled blue cheese and sprinkle it over top, mix it all together, and then sprinkle again. Now, depending on how much blue cheese you want, that's how much you can add, but hey, is there really anything that's too much? I don't think so. These potatoes are absolutely delicious. Thank you for hanging in with me on my little error earlier in the video, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.